Understanding U.S. federal and state taxes, filing the proper tax forms. In our video, Understanding U.S. Taxes, the Basics, we discuss some of the things you need to know to understand the U.S. tax system. This video will get into the tax forms and deadlines necessary for you to follow U.S. and state tax law. Please keep in mind that the Bechtel International Center staff are not tax professionals and cannot provide tax advising or referrals. No information in this video should be considered formal tax advice. Always consult with a professional tax service as necessary. So, you've confirmed that you are a non-resident for tax purposes by taking the Substantial Presence test on the IRS website. If you haven't, you may want to do that before viewing this video. Now here are the key forms you'll need to file your taxes. W-2, if you had any US-based income. This is a summary of the income you earned during the previous calendar year from a specific employer. Contact your employer directly if you did not receive this form. The Form 1099, if you earned interest income from a U.S. bank account. The Form 1042-S, if you claim a tax treaty or if you received a non-service scholarship in excess of tuition, required fees, and/or books and supplies. If you had a U.S. source of income during the year, you'll be filing using the Form 1040-NR or the Form 1040-NR-EZ. The Bechtel International Center has purchased software that will be available for free to international students and scholars to use to file those forms. That software is available for use usually by early March. If you have earned any income in the state of California, you will be using the Form 54NR to file your state taxes. If you had no U.S. source of income during the year, then you will only need to file the Form 8843. Now that you know which forms you'll need, here are some dates to remember. January 31st is when many companies mail out or make the W-2 available electronically. March 15th is when the 1042-S form should be mailed to you. April 15th is the usual tax filing deadline for federal and state taxes. June 16th is the deadline to file the Form 8843 if you had no U.S.-based income. Check out the Bechtel International Center website for links to the IRS website, schedule of tax webinars, and more.